Hi everyone, back again Bryan, and today me and my grandfather is cleaning my garden up, and I found a small sting which you might like it. So cup on the small rock. It's a couple of snails. So see, there's a bigger one. There's a big one. There's a big one over there, and there's a small one on top. Do you see that? He's like, where am I going? They've never been this high, I think. Yeah. So they're kind of cute. And I have a small garden which I'll show you right now. And we are to my garden area over here. And we have two big coconut trees over here. One is there and the other one is over here. And we have a small guava plant, and it's still a small plant, still growing. And we have some other plants which I'll show you right now. So this is my garden. We have a lot of chili plants. You can see here. There's one here, three all over here, and they have gave some chilies which I'll be showing you right now. Do you see it? It's here. These are all chilies which we have grown, and these are all lady's finger. This one. They're all lady's finger. And we have tomato which is growing over here, and so this is my tomato plant which has been growing very well. You can see the tomatoes, it's growing. So yeah, and we have we have 5 banana trees over here which are growing. It's growing pretty good, and the biggest one is all the way over there, and it's pretty big. So yeah, this is my garden. I hope so. This is my papaya plant which is here, and this is my baby papaya plant over here, and there's a drumstick plant. You can see it over here. There's some small sticks which are growing, and so I'm going to take some chilies for the kitchen right now. Okay, those will take one. Yeah, see how nicely it has grown. It's going to be very spicy. So yeah, and I need some more for the kitchen. Let me take one and another one. Should be good. Oh, it's not coming. Oh, yes, that's good. Yeah, and there's some more chilies, but we want it as a red chili. So I'll show you. And I almost forgot the brinjal plant, which is right over here. Yeah, so it does not give any like fruits or like vegetables. Sorry. So, and yeah, it might grow like another like 1 to 2 weeks. Yeah. So guys, it's going to start raining right now. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.